Dry cleaning has been a tough market for the last 10 plus years. We're continuously seeing cleaners being gobbled up in kind of larger, bigger plants that have been operating. Unipress has been around a really long time. They make wonderful pieces of equipment. Their shirt units, their utility presses, all are wonderful. We like Fulton boilers. Most dry cleaners like to just come in the morning, flip a switch on, turn the boiler on, flip a switch, turn the boiler off, and not really understand everything that needs to happen to maintain a boiler properly. So Fulton takes a lot more abuse of that, if you will, the way they're designed. Fibermatic is one of our suppliers of dry cleaning machines, and they've got different, all these different type of chemical fluids come out, whether, PERC is out, basically, hydrocarbon, green earth. There's others out there that be able to have a multi-solvent dry cleaning machine, I think, is important to be able to keep up with environmental concerns. Unipress is a made in Florida, so it's nice to have a USA made product that you can get your hands on. Sankosha is a brand that's really good. They're made in Japan, a little harder to get parts on. The dry cleaning machines, unfortunately, are all made in Italy, and so those are, pretty readily available for parts. We not have too many problems until you start getting into 15, 20-year-old type machines. Then the availability starts getting tougher.